We're going to the farm, taking the girls to see the ridge. They haven't seen it since the barn started, or really any of that. So what has it been, since Christmas? Have you been up there since Christmas?
A little after.
A little after? Either way, it's been a long time. So we're gonna take Pippa and Palmer and the bird to see it. Right, Pips?
Right.
Palmer? Can you say hi? Huh? See you next time up on the raspberries. That's not what you say.
Palmer, this is not the very first.
We did 2 different years. He was about 1 year. I can remember taking there. He was. You can tell that he was.
I'll check back in when we get there. All right, we just got here. Burr, what's your excitement level? 1 out of 10.
2.
Why?
I'm excited.
Let's see what the hell excited the girls are. Pippa is out, and Palmer is out. We've had a long, busy weekend, and they're out. We fell asleep on the way here, even though it's only about 15 or 20 minutes to get here. But so we'll get parked, and we will get everybody out and take a walk around the barn. You've just been quiet the whole time? You weren't asleep? You weren't sleeping?
No.
No, you were just being quiet?
Yeah.
Were you just resting your eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah, but not ever really asleep, huh?
Well, Daddy, is that a bathroom right there?
Yeah. It's a really nice one, huh? Do you need to use it?
No, I'm just making sure.
Oh, okay. Can you watch out? Your foot's hooked. Look.
Ooh, camera, Pippa, stop.
She sees it. You got it? Because you're 5.5? Uh-oh. You're okay? You're almost kind of walking around like maybe you were asleep, but you weren't asleep, right? Huh?
Nope.
No, you were just pretending?
No, I was resting my arms.
Hey, look at me. Don't step on any boards that have nails sticking up, okay? You look at every single piece of wood you step on and make sure that there's no nails in it, okay? It'll hurt real bad. Okay? I'm gonna get Duke out.
But Daddy, what if the nails are sticking down? Is that okay to step?
Yeah, as long as they're sticking down.
How silly would that be if they would stick up?
It would be.
That would be silly.
Well, there's Palmerino. Palmer, were you sleeping?
He's sweating.
What do you think, Pippa?
Good.
Do you
but
like it?
It just needs one more touch.
What does it need? A stick stuck in the... Oh, what are you doing?
Like making a star on the sand. Yeah, it's not that easy as it was last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The dirt's a little harder, huh? Are you excited to get in here and decorate?
Yeah. Does that mean me and Palmer can decorate the house too?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yay! So we get to decorate our rooms?
Yep.
So does that mean that I can paint rainbows on my side?
Sure.
Yay!
So, this'll stay pretty much open all the time, Pips.
It'll stay like that.
No, we're gonna get all that gross water out of there. But this is where the horses will be.
that's where the horses will be?
Yeah, this will be the
That
stables.
means can color change Rainbow Dash Sparkle be right here? Because
What? She won't fit right there. She'll have to go right here. She can go in the first one though.
yay. Because
Did you see this?
Oh, what's that? What's
It says Blackberry Ridge Nave Family Farm. Established 2018, Deuteronomy 28, 1 through 14.
What does the stairs lead to?
Upstairs.
The barn, I see it. Down one.
Here in just a second.
Okay. Go up there.
So this is just warehouse. This will be just for storing stuff and all that good stuff. Grandpa, hey, Pappy's forging where he's going to make knives and stuff will be right over here in this corner.
So like the barn, so our house will be connected to here?
No, our house will be across the street. On the other side of where we parked at. This is just the barn.
I know this can be where we're gonna this part can be where we store all of the horses' food and things. All of every of our animals' food. This
Yeah.
can be where we store their food.
Yeah?
I don't want to get my shoes dirty.
Okay, good. I don't want you to get them dirty either. This is the bathroom right here, Pips.
That was a close one. But the bathroom can't be wet like that.
No, we got to put a roof on this thing, don't we? Palmer, you want to go upstairs and look?
I'm going to go up. Daddy, can I be the first one that's stepping on the stairs?
I don't care.
Yay! Upstairs.
Well, we're just going to go look. So there's actually going to be a hole cut out in the ceiling.
Why?
Right there at that beam. It's going to be like a 10-foot wide by 24-foot long hole that you're going to be able to see all the way up through. Hey, stop right there.
Whoa. So, Daddy, can up here be like a patio?
Can it be a patio?
Yeah.
This is where we're going to store like hay and stuff. Hey,
No.
don't.
You have to ask. Mom, you have to ask.
That's right, but it's still too close.
Yeah.
So starting like right here, Pips and Palmer. From like right here where you're standing. Stay there. To like right here where I'm standing is going to be a big hole in the floor. Where you can see all the way down. And see your horses.
What? But why not over here? That's where the horses are.
Well, it's going to be like 10 foot wide.
Okay. So that means you can only step over here?
Yeah, you'll only be able to walk over here.
But
And over here too.
But then, so Daddy, since it's that long,
Palmer, stay back.
since it's that long, we can
Pippa, stay back.
We can go around it.
Yes. Yes, you'll be able to go all the way around it.
Okay.
Well, now you want to go look and see where everything will be at outside the barn?
No, I still want to look downstairs. It's pretty.
Oh, I didn't show you the shop. Let's go downstairs and look at the shop.
Huh? What shop?
Where Pappy and I are going to put all of our tools.
It's a different kind of shop. Nothing like Target.
Oh my gosh. That's exactly why we need to be out here. Hey, let me go first.
Not when we get there.
There's no handrail yet. Okay.
That's a long way down.
Go next. Hang on to the side. On the right side. There we go.
Right here.
There you go.
That's a long way down.
But you came right up it, so you did good. You can hold on to the wood pieces right on the side.
What's it getting?
Where'd Duke go?
He's gone.
He gone.
He gone.
I bet he was gonna go look for some friends.
For some friends?
Yeah, some other dogs.
I'm sure.
You think he needs some friends?
Take one step.
Yeah. Because we can't just anytime visit his other friends at his school. We can't do that.
No.
Go. Grab the next one.
I hear him. There he is.
Whoa!
He gets a little crazy when he gets out here.
So he went that way. And
Yeah.
if he went that way, that would be a terrible disaster.
Oh, it would be?
Yeah.
So this is where Pappy and Daddy are going to keep all of our tools. And we're going to work and stuff like that out of here and make stuff. And your Marmee is not allowed in here. She's not. It's true. This is man room only.
Okay, but
You're not allowed here either. Get out.
But Daddy, but
You
Daddy,
neither.
But Daddy, what if
Watermelon.
But Daddy, what if me and Palmer need to ask you a question and you're in there?
Then you'll have to knock on the door and ask it through the door.
I'll have to use walkie-talkies.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, great.
Hey, let's go this way. We'll go out over here.
Ew. Ew. He was thirsty. He was drinking that gross water. Daddy, hang on. What's with the table upstairs?
Oh, that's what they used to work off of. These are called sawhorses. And that's what they stack all their wood on and they cut. See all these cut marks in this wood? See it?
Yeah.
They use these to cut boards on. Okay, over here, when we go out this door, girls, this'll be like the garden area. And where the chickens will be, and where the orchard is gonna be. And what else will be over here? The greenhouse.
Daddy, can you build me and Palmer, please? A playhouse, a big one.
Yeah.
Yay! Thanks, Daddy. And then a slide.
You want to slide on it?
Yeah. And
Okay.
also, can you also make a water fountain too? And a chandelier?
What we need is a pond, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And can we keep the chickens inside there?
Inside where?
Our playhouse.
No.
How about the baby chicks?
Maybe.
Ooh, that
Yeah.
sounds fun.
How about I know, Palmer, let me whisper something.
Is it secret?
Okay.
Only to us.
So the greenhouse, girls, is gonna go back up over here. Do you know what a greenhouse is?
No.
It's like a dome
Wait.
made out of plastic that you put plants and stuff in, and they last in the winter in there, and you can even grow in there in the summer if you want. But it's a good place to put all your plants and stuff for early spring and the cold time. And then we're gonna have raised beds all where you're standing, Pippa. Where you're gonna have strawberries and raspberries and blackberries and blueberries and
Daddy,
tomatoes and cucumbers and.
Daddy, I know. If we could do something, we could build a really long line, so that way all the fruits can go over here and all the vegetables over there, so that way they don't get mixed up.
Oh well, that's probably.
And so we don't step on them.
That's probably not a bad idea to separate your plants like that.
And we could like that. And Daddy,
It's okay.
It's okay. Let him go.
And Daddy, it's okay. And is it okay if you if all of the fruits can they be separated into their own piles in the sections?
Yeah.
Yay!
But you're gonna have to get with Marmee on all that. She's the gardener.
Yay!
And then do you see the fence over there? You see the barbed wire fence?
Yeah, that means that no one's allowed over there.
That's true. But we're also gonna have our orchard over there.
That I think I know what that means.
What does that mean?
I think it means that we are going to. I think it means that we're gonna put all of the signs of the names.
No. What that means is we're gonna put all the fruit trees over there.
Oh.
Apple trees, cherry trees, peach trees.
Can we put the cherry tree right over there?
Well, that's once again you got to talk to your Marmee about that.
Yay! Me
And then
Marmee
about
and
where Palmer is at, or a little bit further, is where the chicken coop is going to be.
Like
Oh, to have that energy.
Daddy, like right beside this stick.
Yep, right there by that stick.
Where's your back there?
Oh, that was a tie.
Okay, first the race back.
No. Did you guys hear that thunder?
First the race back. No, Palmer, you're supposed to finish the race by coming over here.
Hey, guess where we're going to park our tractor?
What? Where?
Oh, Duke's playing now. Duke wants to race. Good luck with that. We're going to park our tractor way back over there.
Whoa, that means me and Palmer's tractors will be over there?
Yep.
The horses, Daddy.
What are you asking me?
Can I name the horses?
Well, I think you can name your horse. I think you already know what that name is though, right?
Yeah. Color change, rainbow dash, sparkles. And Daddy also, can I decorate her stable? Just the part where she's gonna go. Like, can I just decorate? Since she's my horse, can I just decorate over here where she's gonna go?
Is that the stable she's gonna go in?
Yeah. So that way, I can always see her every morning before we go bye-bye.
Oh, before you go to school or something, you're gonna come out here and feed her
Yeah. I'll go upstairs real quick.
and drop some hay down.
Yeah.
Guess what's gonna go out over here? Come over here, Palms. Look at this.
It's gonna go out here.
Watch that. That'll wobble.
Good thing that I'm a pretty far jumper.
Yeah, you are a pretty far jumper.
Looks
So is
like
Palmer.
you wanted to see the barn too. My Aunt Fran came too.
Your aunt friend? Let's not talk about your aunt friends on camera. People might think you're crazy.
They're just my friends.
Oh.
She just wanted to see the barn. That's all.
How do you know it's a she? Just out of curiosity.
Because
Ooh, did you find a stick? So hey, this is gonna be our paddock. This is gonna be fenced off all the way around, and the horses and the goats and all that are gonna be able to be in here. This is all gonna be grass. You can start to see some stuff coming up now.
wait, let me go see.
Careful.
Good thing that I landed on my hands.
Yeah, good thing you're wearing your jacket with the sleeve gloves.
Yeah.
Come on, Palms.
I'm getting pretty hot. I'll tie her around my waist. Even
Yeah, because I'm holding you.
Or on my legs, or on my other leg.
So do you guys see that massive pile of trees down there?
Yeah.
You see all those trees that are dead and scraped up? When Daddy gets the tractor this week, we're going to start cutting firewood. But guess what's going to go right there where all those trees are?
What?
The goat house.
Oh, but Daddy, it's a good idea. Instead of getting rid of them, how about whenever, when we can move me and Palmer's tent that we're gonna sell. Maybe we don't have to sell it. We can put it out here. So and then we can build a fire. So maybe we could sleep out here because there is gonna be a patio. Please.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Like we could camp out.
Okay. You want to camp out here?
Yeah, we want to camp out. Please, so can you just keep a little bit of space?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yep.
Yay! Like maybe those trees could go. Our doctors and for our no, Palmer.
Mm-hmm.
No, wait. Can it be like right here?
That's where you want the tent to be, or the goat house?
The goat house.
I think the goat house has to go all the way at the other end.
Okay, but then where are the trees?
But you know what I'm not going to like about the goat house being over there? Having to carry their food all the way over there. So did you guys have a good had fun at the tour?
Yeah.
You did, Burr?
Yes.
Okay, so hey, do you want to come tell everybody bye?
Bye. See you next time on Blackberry.
Oh, you goose. So I had 2 memory cards go completely full while we were out here. The girls apparently kept on talking and kept on talking. And I don't know how much of it we're going to end up being able to get because I was just listening to them and looked down at the camera a couple different times and it said it was stopped recording. So I'm sure I'll have enough for quite the entertainment when you guys watch this or when we all watch it back as a family. So I think the girls really loved it. They've got some great ideas, and I'll see if I can get both Pippa and Palmer over here to say bye to you. Hey, do you guys want Pippa? Come say bye. No. Come say bye to the camera with you and Palmer.
Time up on the ridge.
Hey, you said it right.
I'm saying next time on the ridge.
Good girls. Burr, you say it.
See you next time up on the ridge.
Yes. My turn. We'll see you next time up on the ridge.